Well, hello everybody. Yikay Khadyi Adi. Thank you all for coming and welcome back to Raven's View, where we're here to educate, inform, and entertain. Maybe we'll do a little bit of all three of those today. One of the things we got in today is another product, so I thought I'd do another product review and let you know how it is and what we got here. I ordered the TheraFlow dual foot massager roller, and this is from Amazon, and it's their Amazon's choice. So there is like a gazillion people that thought this product was awesome.
It is a bit above average.
I said, well, you know what? I'll give it a shot too, because I've been working at home and I've been doing so many Zoom meetings, more than I even have ever thought that I needed, and I have more meetings than I've ever had to do in person when I worked, not at home, I guess, since this COVID-19 stuff's been going on. And sometimes sitting in front of the computer all day and sitting in one spot all day is gives my feet kind of a little cramped up here, and I'm not moving around as much as I should be. So anyway, I thought I'd give it a try and see if it would help me out. And let's check it out here. So we got just came in here. We'll open it up and check it out. Okay. This is what it looks like here in a little box. It's kind of like an acupressure roller dealio. So let's see. Comes in a little bag. This is supposed to relax, relieve foot pain, plantar fasciitis, cramped feet, all kinds of things like that. So this is what it looks like here. There's some little rollers that you're supposed to put your feet across and roll them back and forth. Made out of wood, and it also comes with a foot reflexology chart, and it shows where all the different pressure points are for the body, top of your feet, bottom of your feet, and some tips on using the foot massager properly. So we'll check it out here. So this is the little foot massager here, and it has little rollers. There's kind of two knobby rollers on one end, and then there's some three kind of, I don't know, little rollers with divots on them on the other side. And this is I guess they make a few different versions here. This is the TheraFlow Extra Large, where it has two rollers of the knobbies on one side, and the other version, I guess, has just one roller knobby on one end, and then the rest are just the little divots. So I thought that the little knobby rollers looked kind of like it might be a little more beneficial, so I gave this one a try. And yeah, it looks pretty good. Let's give it a shot and see what it feels like. Okay, so here it is here. I put it on the ground, and it's made of all wood basically, except for the inside. Through these little rollers are metal rods to keep them in there. The bottom of it has some foam grip to keep it from moving around. And it looks like you can get both feet on there. So let's check it out. Bring it back here. Nice, nice, nice. Oh yeah, nice, nice, nice. I love it.
That's what I'm talking about!
Definitely the little knobby rollers give some more pressure points underneath your feet, and that makes a big difference, more than just the little divot ones that are on the other side. Let's check out 2 feet. 2 feet, 2 feet. Yeah, okay, good. Man, that does feel pretty good. So you can do it this way. I guess you can flip-flop it around and run your feet across. Oh yeah, that's nice too.
Happy.
Definitely
Happy.
nice. Okay.
Happy.
Well, I can see how this would be really nice. You could stick it under the desk maybe while you're working, stick it underneath the couch or the chair, kick back and massage your feet basically. I mean, who's going to massage your feet all day long? Nobody that I know. So, let's flip back around here. Nice. Okay. Well, good. So, I say it feels pretty good. I like it. I'm gonna definitely use this, and hopefully it'll help my achy breaky feet. All right, well, I guess that's it. I think it definitely looks super helpful, feels pretty good, and I'm definitely gonna use it, and hopefully it'll help my feet feel better, not so cramped up, and it's super nice, you know, to have massage your feet. I mean, who doesn't like that? I don't know. So I definitely give it Gunalchéesh, thumbs up, Gunalchéesh, thumbs up. So yeah, I think it's going to be pretty good. If you want to try it out, you can check it out on Amazon. Like I said, I got it from there, from their Amazon choice, which means a bazillion people enjoyed it and gave great reviews on it. And so I thought I'd check it out and test it out for you. So there it is. The TheraFlow Dual Foot Massager XL. All right, Gunalchéesh. Thanks for stopping by Raven's View. That's my view, and we will see you again soon. Gunalchéesh.
Dear God, it's beautiful.
Gunalchéesh.